Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today I will show you how to make party cheese dip with Pillsbury dough. Here are the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Celsius. Take a non-stick cooking spray and spray the pan evenly. Then unwrap the dough. Separate each rectangle and cut it in half. Then each piece, roll it and place it in the pan side by side until it covers all areas. If there's any leftover, start a second line just like the way I've done here. Then in a bowl, add mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, pepper, salt, dry parsley, chilli, ricotta cheese, and mayonnaise. Mix well until fully blended. And then pour into the middle of the pan. Even it out. Now put it into the oven and cook until the buns are nicely golden brown. Now you're ready to eat. Please let me know if there's any suggestions or anything you'd like me to look into cooking for you. Otherwise, I've been having fun cooking all this delicious food and looking forward to seeing you next time. So until then, take care and have fun.